Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a pickup? I'll tell you what, huge selection. This one might be it. This is the 2015 the Ford Super Duty F250. Stock number is T20414A. Take notice of the exterior condition on your virtual video walkaround. You're going to notice no dings, no dents, no scrapes. Absolutely clean. Does have the tow package. Love this black color. It's absolutely outstanding. Nice running boards. Nice. I love those rims and tires. Really sets the truck off. And we're going to make our way and show you the interior rear. Friends and family traveling with you. Look at all that ample legroom. And super clean. And we're going to put you in the driver's seat. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Fully loaded. And we're going to make our way around. Look at that front grille. Looks like the Road Warrior. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.